What's up, guys? My name is John, and this is my 2017 Yamaha R3. And I just installed a new turn signal light right here. A smoke turn signal light, make the bike look way better than the factory turn signal. That thing is too big and it doesn't look good at all. And I installed a new crash protection kit from TST Industry. It came with the frame slider, the one for your front wheel right there, and then the one on your handlebar end, and then one at the rear wheel right there. So 4 total. And frame slider is the pain in the ass to like take it apart and then drill a hole on it. It's taking me like around 4 or 5 hours to like take it off and then cut it and then put it back together. And a lot of people say the one that you bought somewhere around here, when you crash, that thing like break it off easily. So that's why I went with the one that you have to cut and stuff. So this thing, when you crash, a lot of people say it can protect your bike better. And I bought some tank pad right here, so when I'm riding, I don't want my zipper to like scratch the tank and stuff. And this thing right here, a RAM mount for your phone. I bought this on Amazon, and the crash protection kit is from TST Industry. And this is a ABS model. I black out my windshield right here. It's gloss black outside and see, matte black inside. And I have bigger tire on my R3. This one is a 170 60 ZR17, and the front tire is 120 70 ZR17. The big tire make the bike look way better, and when you're riding it, you can feel a lot of smoother and stuff. There's no shaking or noise coming on from the tire, and it's good for like cornering and stuff too. This is the front wheel right here. And the rear wheel, the 170 tire, you have a little bit like space like this left on each side, just a little bit like this. So 170 is good. And I'm waiting for my new tail light to arrive. That tail light have like the signal integrated in the tail light, so I can take this and this ugly ass shit off, and a new license plate light too. This thing, the bracket, I need to paint it black again. This I take it off from the factory, like the license plate holder, the factory one, the big ass ugly shit. I take that off and then I do some mod to this, so it's working fine. I only to spend like 80 or 90 bucks on it. And if you have a Yamaha R3, I would recommend you put like bigger tire on it, 120 on the front, and then on the back you can put like 160 or 170, but 170 is good for me. I can feel like a lot smoother, better cornering. Overall, it's good. I installed that tire like 3 or 4 days ago. And the next thing I need is the brake and clutch lever. Those things are on the way home right now. And I need a new exhaust for this bike. I was thinking about the M4 Street Slayer exhaust. I hear a lot of people say those exhausts is good and it's loud, and it's not that expensive. It's around like $400. This is my helmet right here, and the glove I bought it on Amazon. Keep your hand like super warm when you're riding it. Yeah, overall that's all my mod for the Yamaha R3 right now. And wait, I have the camera up here, so just in case like some dumbass like hit me or do stupid shit to me on the road and stuff, because there are a lot of people who driving their car and they are always on their fucking phone and not pay attention to the road. I just learned how to ride the bike like not even 2 months yet, and I already almost died 3 or 4 times already. So that's why I put that camera on, because people don't pay attention to the road a lot. They keep glue their fucking eye to the phone, dude. And I should put a train horn in here, so when they're on their phones, so I can beat the shit out of them, dude. And by the way, the tire is the Shinko. This tire is not that expensive. The rear is about $110, and the front is about $70. It's not that expensive. I bought this because I just want to see how it fit on the bike first before I spend expensive money on the better tire and stuff. And one last thing before I go, I have a what is it? I installed a new light for the bike, blue headlight, and then that red triangle right there is red. At night when you're riding, that thing lit up very good and make the bike look way better. I bought this bike 2 weeks ago, and I already put 1,498 miles on it. I love this bike a lot. Alright, see you guys next time.